In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Uber password. Quick heads up, for security reasons, you can't actually view your existing Uber password anywhere, but you can quickly regain access by resetting it, and I'll walk you through that now. Start by opening the Uber app or going to the Uber sign-in page. On the login screen, type the email address or mobile number linked to your account, then tap Forgot Password. That tells Uber you need a reset, and they'll send you either a password reset link or a one-time verification code. Choose the inbox you can access right away. If you picked email, watch for a message from Uber and open the link inside. If you chose text, look for an SMS with a code. Codes usually expire after a short time, so use it promptly. If nothing arrives after a couple of minutes, refresh your inbox, check spam or junk folders, and make sure your phone has a signal. Still not seeing it? It sometimes helps to wait briefly and check again. And remember, never share verification codes with anyone. Follow the instructions in the message or on the screen. If you received a link, it will open a secure page where you can create a new password. If you received a code, enter it when prompted to confirm it's really you, and then you'll be asked to set a new password. Choose something strong and unique by mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing a password from another site and steer clear of easily guessed details like birthdays or simple sequences. A short passphrase made of random words can also be both memorable and strong. Once your new password is saved, you're all set. To prevent future lockouts, store the password securely. The easiest approach is to save it in your browser's built-in password manager or a trusted password manager app. Options many people use include Google Password Manager, Apple iCloud Keychain, and Bitwarden. These tools securely remember your login, sync it across your devices, and can autofill the next time you sign in. Just be sure your device itself is protected with a PIN, password, or biometrics. And that's it. You've reset your Uber password and secured it for next time. If you follow these steps, you'll be back in your account quickly and with stronger protection in place.